Hello, survey kings and queens. Today, I want to surprise everybody here. Now, I want to talk about surveys. Every now and then, different people come to you telling you to use VPN to do surveys. I personally, survey king, am against VPN because when you're using VPN, you can lose your account. When the platform detects that you're using VPN, they can ban your account. So, why using VPN when you can do survey from your comfort zone, from your comfort country, from the place you are living? You don't need to fake where you are living because I am a truthful man and always tell you the truth. So do not use VPN when you want to do this survey. Now, I want to show you this special survey that is available for all the countries. Now, I will open my screen. Let us go and see what I'm talking about. Let's go. Open your browser, you type tgmpanel.com. Then it will open this way. Earn money with paid online surveys. Want to make some extra cash without leaving your couch? You are in the right place. Join TGM Panel and start earning real reward from real brands just by answering simple surveys. Guys, you can go ahead and join the panel. But before then, I want to show you what you're supposed to know. Because I am the survey king, I got you. Now, what do? You scroll up. When you scroll, then let us look at the country that is available. Now, TGM panel in Europe. All this country here, as you can see, this country, all these countries are in Europe. So you can see them. All these names I can't even pronounce. You understand? So if your country of residence is here and you are living in Europe, you can do it. You understand? Now you head over to Africa country. Look at all the Africa countries: Angola, Benin, Botswana, Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Congo. You see all the countries. Look at the giant of Africa, Nigeria. Look at Nigeria. Nigeria is there. Kenya is there. Congo, DR Congo, Ethiopia, Ghana, Malawi. I think Cameroon is also here. Where is Cameroon? So, okay, look at Cameroon here. Can find Cameroon. That's it. So these are the Africa countries that can do TGM panel. Then there are still this Asia or whatever it is called. So when you go there, you look at all the names of those that can do the surveys. Now, what am I teaching? I'm not saying this just for Africans. It is global survey platforms. If you go to Mania, you see Mania or whatever it is called. Look at them. Right? Then if you go to the Americans, you still see them. They are here. Right? Now, guys, don't be in Nigeria and start saying you are in USA. No. Guys, see, TGM panel, it is not salary earning platform. It is side hustle. So since it is side hustle, the reward is small. And if you want to do survey is not very rich quick today. Because some people think when you have a survey, when you are sleeping, you start making money. No. For you to make money in survey platforms, you have to work for it. And the money, whatever you are earning in survey, is gradually. That's it. So as I've started teaching survey now, taking you how it works, show you how it works, I'll be giving you the tips, giving you the surveys that you can do from your own country of residence. So don't say Africans cannot do surveys. As you can see, Africans are here. Now, if you want to, I want to use Africans as a case study. And now I'm going to use Nigeria. Now, if you want to register TGM panel from Nigeria, don't just click anywhere. You have to go to country Nigeria and click on it. So when you click on it, then you see earn money on surveys. Would you like to contribute to creation of marketplace? This is register for free on TGM Panel Nigeria. Do you see this one is Nigeria? Have you seen it? Tell us what you think about their products. Look at it. You are in the right place. Tell us what you think about their products and services and get paid for it. It's our online surveys. Make money through TGM Panel Nigeria. Have you seen this Nigeria? Then if you want to, if you're in Ghana, you go to Ghana. Are you following? Now it's talking about Ghana. Are you seeing it? If you're in Ghana, you can click register. Don't be in Ghana and go to Nigeria panel and click register. No, you have to click register in your country of residence. Is that okay? Then if you're in the UK, just type TGM Panel .uk. Understand? Just type TGM Panel.uk. Then it will bring you to UK panel. Are you seeing it? That's it. So for those in Nigeria, if you type TGM Panel.ng, you get that of Nigeria. Any country where you are, then you type in put your email, put your password, select if you're male or female, date of birth, put your zip code, then your country, you put it there, right? Then you sign up. That's it. And make sure that you go to your email to do what? To verify your email, because they'll send you an email. You go to your email and do what? Verify it. So when you activate your email, then you now go in, come here and do login. So when you do login, you put your email and password, then certify that you're not a robot, then you start earning. After logging in, you will come to this place. Now, when you come to this place, this is your dashboard. You can see that this one is a new account I created for the purpose of this class. You can see that 1 point is equal to one pounds. Then, and look at the problem. Look at profiling. Profiling is still 0%. And some of you, is whenever you go to a platform, what you just rush is to want to go and start doing survey, but it is not true. You have to update your profile. It is very important that you click on update your profile and make sure you have 100%. Here now is still 0. So you must update it so that you have 100% here. So if you really want to do survey, the first thing you must do when you go to any platform is to make sure you fill all your profile, because that profile you're filling is your demography. So that your demographics you are giving them is what they are going to use to give you surveys. And something else you must do is this. Now you can see now here there are a lot of surveys for me here now. You understand? But first thing I have to do here is to do what? To update my profile, complete all this information. So when you complete all these informations here, all of them, like this place that have biro here, when you click on it, you click what is your ethnic group, you say it, you click on it, next, right? So that is it. So make sure that you have 100% profile. Now, do you know what you're going to do for me now? Then after watching this video, come to the comment section and tell me, after creating your account, how many surveys do you have? If you have problems creating this account, also put it in the comment section. Then how much have you earned after creating your account? Put it in the comment section. Make sure you share this video to those who need it. Whoever you think that need online side hustle, share this video to that person. And make sure you follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you always come back for more. I'm your guy, Survey King. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.